to Controlled Chaos Painting. I'm Ken, and I'll be your artist today. Today we're going to do another swipe painting. I don't really want to tell you too much about it. I'd rather you see the process. But I do appreciate you joining me today. And if you do enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and get painting. I'm excited for this one. Glad you're with me. It almost looks like another one of the Mocha series, honestly. Yeah, but interesting swirl of colors. Really creamy looking. So hopefully you enjoyed this painting. We're going to go ahead and do a close-up in just a moment. But I just want to let you know, again, I do appreciate all of your time. And in the next video, I think I'm going to do a bit more talking and go through like I did in some of the older videos and show you the mixtures and kind of give you an idea, tell you what I'm doing. These are a little quicker to produce and they're quicker for you to watch. So, but yeah, anyways, so again, if you're enjoying our videos, do subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Let's do that close up. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the first coat and preserve your design. Wow, that's really going to bring a